Upgrade your iMac with a new hard drive or SSD. I would recommend to get the drive first and then clone it. So to clone, I was using converter and internal rack mount, the factory mount. I didn't want to buy anything else, I didn't want to spend money. So the bracket is still there. Here I use the tight, just the regular cable tight. This tool was very helpful, and that's it. The only one thing I came across is what to do with this Thermo connector. You don't need to use it, as this solid state is drive doesn't produce any heat, so you could just cut it off. Also, instead of the tight, you could just drill a hole here and screw it with another screw. It's a lot to do. That was easy for me. Also, when you're trying to unscrew the monitor, I was using just a regular screwdriver, because the screwdriver, the Torque T20 I have was too short, so it just doesn't fit in there. Also, when you try to reconnect the monitor back, make sure that you're very careful connecting it, and I found that the best position to do it when you keep your iMac upright. So you'll put it in there, fix it in here in the base. You have a little angle here, and just go from the upwards with a torch. I used this torch, the phone torch. So I go in, connect it very carefully, and that's the work is done.